How to add IG to TikTok. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can view your profile information. Now tap on Edit Profile as shown. Here you can edit your information such as your name, photo, username, bio, etc. Go to Links. Select the account you want to link to TikTok, for example, Instagram. Here, you have to log in with your Instagram account first. Fill in the details and tap on Log In. You have now successfully linked your Instagram account to TikTok. You can find the Instagram link in the bio section on your profile. Following these steps, you can easily add IG to TikTok.